Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to replace the battery compartment in the top headband in a 3M XT-1 and also the same goes with 3M C1060 drive-thru wireless headsets. So here's how we do it. To do this, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a long nose plier. The first thing you need to do is open this side. You have to push this a little out of your way and open these screws. And then you open this one. Remove the earpiece and open the screw. Those are the only 3 screws you need to take out. And then this pops open like that. Unplug this cable gently and carefully because there is a tape here. So there it is, I unplugged it. Now you have to pay attention right here. There's a little plastic bar which you need to remove with your hand. This is where you would have needed a plier, a long nose plier, if it would have been hard to remove. But it was pretty easy, it was slided out easily. So now you remove this, like that. This is the defective one, which has a loose connection here or bad connection here. So we don't use that, and we put our brand new one, which is right here. Is first, you have to insert the cord. After that, you have to insert the actual headband, like that. Now that little piece of plastic which we removed when we were discussing to remove with a plier is actually very easy to slide without the help of a plier. There you go. You put that in place. You just slide it in. Watch the motion it goes in. Watch. It goes in like this and like that. And the notch is to feed the cable through that notch like that. So now we put it back in place and make sure that this little plastic sits in that notch, in that railing. It has to slide in that railing. We plug back in the power cord. Like that. It only goes in one way, so make sure you put it correctly. The red wire is closer to the switch, to the button, and the black is closer to the edge. That's the only way it will go in. Now we put back the cover, slides in first through here and snaps down from the back, from here, like that. And you simply put the 4 screws, the 3 screws that is. One, 2, and 3. You will put back the earpiece, and voila, we are good to go with a brand new battery compartment holder. And you can get these holders on eBay. I'll put a link for the place where to get the holder. And yeah, it's simple as that. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.